Hello friends, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about alcohol. You know friends, alcohol function group is OH. So let us recall alkane, alkene, alkyl, alkenyl, and you know the formula RH, R2, C double bond Cr2, means carbon-carbon double bond. So if you have CnH2n plus 2, suffix ane, example ethane, and the general formula of alkene CnH2n, ene, and formula ethene. So describe the alcohol as a homologous series containing the OH group. Draw the structure of alcohol carbon 1 to carbon 5. The name the unbranched alcohols, methanol to butanol. Describe the properties of alcohols in terms of combustions and oxidation to carboxylic acid. Describe the formation of ethanol by the fermentation of glucose. So what are alcohols? It belongs to homologous series of organic compounds similar to alkenes and alkenes. You know it. Now another important point, the hydrocarbons chains contains the functional group OH, hydroxyl groups. So you can see here a structural formula, chemical formula C2H5OH, molecular formula, and condensed structural formula CH3CH2OH. So naming the alcohols, methanol, total number of carbons, atoms, meth, and CH3OH. Ethanol, total number of 2 carbons, atom, CH3CH2OH, eth, and propanol, 3 carbon. Take note of the functional group location highlighted by the dotted box. Naming alcohols, replace the E with enol at the end of the name of the hydrocarbons. Ethane, ethanol. Naming the alcohols, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, etc. The name of alcohol end with enol. Alcohol are a homologous series with general formula CnHn plus 1 OH. The N is the number of carbon atoms in a molecule. The simplest alcohol is methanol with 1 carbon atom. So you can see methanol very soluble and room temperature liquids. Ethanol soluble liquid, propanol soluble liquids, and butanol slightly soluble in liquid. Physical properties of alcohol. Alcohols are soluble in water, but their solubility decreases as their molecular size increases. Unlike the alkanes and alkenes, the first 4 alcohols are liquid at room temperature and pressure. Although alcohols contain the OH groups, they are not alkalis. In fact, they are all neutral. So, chemical properties of alcohols. Alcohols can take part in these reactions, combustion and oxidation. So, what is combustion? An alcohol burns in air to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. Ethanol plus oxygen give carbon dioxide plus water vapor. So, flame produce is clean. Combustions of alcohol are useful because methanol is less likely than conventional fuel to explode in an accident. It is a clean fuel. When alcohol beverages is burned with food, it gives a distinct flavor. Now friend, oxidations. We can oxidize an alcohol, for example ethanol, by warming it with acidified potassium dichromates. You can see here experimental setup, C2H5OH acidified K2Cr2 7. Heat it and you see cold water, ethanoic acid. So oxidations, ethanol undergo oxidation, it gives ethanoic acid. Oxidations, the color of potassium dichromate changes from orange to green. Oxidation of alcohol is used in birth analyzer to test the amount of alcohol consumed by drivers. Ethanol can be manufactured from hydrations of ethene and fermentation of carbohydrate. So, formation of ethanol or hydration of ethene. Ethanol is manufactured by catalytic addition of steam to ethene. Condition: phosphoric acid at 300 degrees Celsius and 60 at atmospheric pressure. The phosphoric acid H3PO4 act as catalyst. Fermentation is a chemical process in which microorganisms such as yeast act on carbohydrates to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. So, if your own groups of 4 set up an experiment according to the experiment setup ABCD, which you can find on the last page of your worksheet. Each group will only be allocated to one of the 4 sets. So record your observation under the observations column after 1 week and upload your observation onto the class blog according to your allocated setup. Your group is supposed to complete a series of questions pertaining to the experiments and hence in set of answer per group 2 weeks later. You can find the questions on the class blog. So you can see the uses of ethanol. Ethanol, solvent for paints, varnishes and perfumes, alcohols, drinks, oxidations, making ethanoic acid for preserving food and making esters, and fuels for vehicles. So concept map construction. In your groups of 4, construct a concept map on the concept that you have learned today. Present your concept map at the end of 5 minutes. Use the space in your worksheet to construct your concept map and make sure that it would be visible on the visualizers. So this is how it all ties up: alcohol, enol, CH2, hydrations, fermentations, chemical, physical properties, uses, like that. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.